Hey guys, we're going to take the Savage Bobber out again to fly. We flew it last weekend. Just got the Savage Bobber all complete. Literally just got done with it a few minutes ago. Soldering iron was still warm when I walked away from the build table. This thing came out pretty awesome. I had an 8x4 prop on there. It flew pretty good. I wanted to try it out with an 8x6 prop. And so I changed the prop out, charged the batteries up, and we're going to take it back out and fly it again today. And we got one more thing to do first. All right, that's better. Let's go ahead and fly. Oh, well, that's much better. Let's take this out and fly it. If you guys watched my build video, you guys saw that I already flew it. It was a little bit windy, so the landing wasn't too good. And so changed the prop out, charged the battery up. Let's take it out and just fly it some more. If you guys have not seen my build video, check that out. I'll have a link in the description below. You can purchase the STL files from Planeprint.com. I'll have a link in the description for that also. And this is fully 3D printed. You guys can just 3D print this right at home. It's really cool. It looks awesome. Prints pretty fast, like 48 hours of printing. Assembly is pretty quick. So get out and build your guys as a 3D printed airplane. It's pretty fun. I think I'm gonna put a 4.7 on there because I know it'll fly at that on there. Sun's going down, we gotta hurry up. Okay, once I got out here, I had the 8x6 on there. I revved it up a little bit, did a run up, and it didn't seem like maybe that was be a little bit too aggressive of a prop for the size of motor. It's a 2204 motor with a 20 amp ESC. So I just did a little bit more of a slight change. I just went to a 8x4.7 instead of an 8x4, which I did on the first flight. So this should give me a little bit more power. So let's get up in the air and see how it flies. A little bit of a hard landing there. So definitely flew a lot better with 8x4.7 on there. That was the only one that I brought out with me today, so unfortunately that'll be the end of today's flight. But this flew a lot better with that prop. I'd say go with the 8x4.7 on there. I did a 2204 with a 20 amp ESC. Check out my build video to show you guys how to build this whole thing, and we will see you guys in the next build. Yeah, these are slow flight props, so they're really thin. So you know, if you just tap them on the ground, it'll break right off. You can actually put prop savers on here too, is another thing you could do. Because I hit props sometimes with a tail dragger airplane, and it'll just break the rubber band versus break the prop. So you can try that also. Could be a highway patrolman now.
Oh my god, that's the look though. That's amazing. Nice. Let me see.
It's a good stash right there.
That's a good one.